Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching the curler to the labeled sleep or low heat mode. This reduces peak temperature for prolonged use. Once set, divide hair into consistent 1-to-1. 5-inch sections so heat distributes evenly. Make sure hair is dry or about 80% dry and apply a protective serum to prevent damage. Now pick a mid-length section, clamp near the root for volume, and slowly glide toward ends. You're establishing the base curl pattern. Once you have the section wrapped, hold the curler in sleep mode for around 5 to 8 seconds because reduced heat needs longer dwell time to set the bend. Make sure you rotate the barrel consistently so each curl faces the same way, and avoid tugging the strand. Relaxed wrapping gives a softer, more natural wave. After releasing, pin the curl against your head with a heat-resistant clip until cool. This step locks the shape without relying on high temperatures. To finish, remove clips once curls are fully cool and run your fingers or a wide tooth comb through them for the desired texture. This preserves softness. Once done, mist a light hairspray and smooth a small amount of oil on ends for shine. If curls aren't holding, make sure your sections were small enough and increase the sleep mode dwell time by 2 to 3 seconds. Conversely, if hair feels brittle, return to fewer seconds and use deeper conditioning between sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.